tayong package na natanggap. Galing po ito sa Kabayan Truck. Yung Kabayan Truck po ay meron po silang business. Yung mga truck ba na may mga pagkain. Ito pala ng kanilang business is Kabayan Food Truck. Ito po yung kanilang Facebook. Sa mga gusto mag-follow, paki-follow po, especially sa mga taga Germany dyan na naghahanap ng marami pong pagkain na binibenta sila sa mga nag-craving ng mga Filipino food. Ayan na po ang Kabayan Food Truck. So, wow!
What is that?
Ayan, this is empanada.
Empanada?
Yeah, empanada.
Can I try one?
OMG.
Can I try one?
Yes, of course you can try everything. And meron din silang pinadala na Kabayan Chicken Pastil. Mild spicy. Wow! Pastil. Hindi mo na kailangan magluto-luto sa bahay, no? Kapag meron kang ganito, initin mo lang siya. And wow! Meron po silang pinadala, oh! Lechon lempo. OMG! Halaka! Looks so good po. Tingnan nyo. Parang nanunuot yung lasa nito. At yung kanyang skin. Ayan. Parang, ano siya, crispy. Diretso na. And meron silang, wow! Fresh Mickey. Diba? Sa Philippines, hindi na ito mabibili. Pero meron po sila available. Gumagawa po siya. Fresh na Mickey. Pansit. Ayan. So, makakain na po tayo ng authentic na pansit talaga. Nagawa ng fresh Mickey. And, ito. Meron po silang pinadala na dinuguan. Ayan, dinuguan. Ito na yung empanada. Are you gonna try it?
What is
Pero mas mainam. It's better when make it warm. Should we make it warm?
Yeah.
Okay, i-warm natin siya.
Wait, let me smell. Ah, it smells so good.
So, isa lang po yung ating i-warm. Ayan, nainit na po natin yung empanada. Yung isa ay nakay Ariana. Hatiin natin what's
There's
inside.
nothing in it. Look.
No, you have to cut it.
Let's see.
Oh, wow. It smells good. Ayan. Ito po yung laman niya, oh. May laman po siya. I think this is pork.
Can I eat it?
In fairness, napakasarap po ng empanada ng Filipino food truck. You know? Ang sarap po ng kanyang laman at nakakabusog na po siya. Meron din para silang peanut butter. I-open na natin. Oh, wow. Smells so good. Homemade peanut butter. Para siyang Filipino talaga. Filipino style. Pinas style, I mean. Pinas style na Filipino butter. Wow. Ang bango niya. Nakaka-excite. Ay! Excited na rin po ako. Batuhin ito ko. Fresh Mickey. But for now, napakarami pong pinadala. Ni Madam. Hi, magsulat po tayo ngayon kay Aria. Nihang ko yung jacket ko kasi sobrang ulan ngayon. Basang-basa yung jacket ko kanina pagdating sa kanya. Ngayon is umuulan pa din. Kaya buti na lang meron tayong cup dito na waterproof. At magka-gloves din ako. Ang ganda ng gloves na to kasi pang sports siya. At the same time, hindi nalalagyan ng water sa loob or kahit mag-snow. Wala. Medyo may kamahalan siya. RBX Live Life Active. So, pang sports talaga siya. So, ito lang yung outfit natin para magsunto kay Aria. Nalagay na ako ng kunting shawl. Para at least hindi tayo mainitan kaya yung ating pullover. Nakikita yung ating leeg. Tingnan nyo po yung weather dito. This is very challenging life, no? Sa abroad. Hindi po basta-basta pag-abroad. Grabe yung pag-adjust. Pag-adjust sa weather. Ay, naku. Ayan, meron pala akong dala-dala itong cellophane. Sa loob nito, extra damit pullover ni Aria. Extra na ayan, socks, medyas. Yan. Kita pala ganun. At saka yung upuan niya, itong foam para hindi masakit yung kanyang puwet. Unfortunately, nagdala po tayo ng GoPro para sana mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo yung ating daanan. Ayan po yung GoPro natin, oh. Sayang kasi SD full. Ako, ano bang tawag niyan? Wala nang film. Hindi na maka-film. Sayang naman kay gusto ko sana ipakita sa inyo yung daan ba. Kasi nga dito umuulan, no. Tapos dito nga side, banda sa amin wala na pong dumadaan na mga bus. Dahil ni-preserve nila or yung nature, yung mga kokak, mga baki, mga frog, yan, sa English frog, kapatay. Yung mga frog, palaka, pala sa Tagalog, nasa utak ko, palaka, ay ayaw nila na mamatay. Kasi marami pong mga palaka dito na pumupunta na sa pond. Kasi pa spring na, wala na yung winter, bumabalik na sila kung saan sila nakatira dati. Kaya babalik na sila dyan sa lawa at nangingitlog, mga nganak. So, grabe po ang pag-asikaso or pag-preserve or pag-safe nila sa mga species. Spices sana, species. Yeah, yung kahit mga ok-ok, ay bawal yan patayin. Hindi ba tayo? Pwede naman sila yung ok-ok. Pero yung butterfly, mga insekto, hindi po pwedeng patayin dahil po ay meron silang halaga. No? Buti pa yung mga insekto binibigyan ng halaga. Ay, ano ba yan? Ayan, papunta na tayo. Teka lang. Change mo natin yung ating camera. Dito banda. Ito yung ating daanan. At ito po yung pond. Diyan, oh. Kita nyo yan? Diba may tubig dyan? Yan. Doon po yung pond. Kung saan yung mga palaka. Yan. Klaro dito. Klaro. So guys, I am already with my daughter. Hi, Arya. Hello. So yan, you can use this as maybe in, or should I put this in the cellophane?
Yeah.
Cellophane or do I put here?
Cellophane.
Ay, okay, grabe kasi ka ano. Careful ha, may camera. Ayan. Alam ko na po, nabasa siya. Kasi alam nyo, meron po kaming GC or group chat. Mga nanay. At nagsasabi na sila, oh, how you find ang anak mo pinapalabas kahit basa, kahit ulan. Sabi ko, basa yung anak ko. Marami na po nagrereklamo, pero para sa akin okay lang, maganda yun. Palagi sila nilalabas.
How do you know I'm wet actually, Mama?
Kahit, ha?
How do you know
from,
I was
from
wet?
the group chat. I better put this here, yeah? Or at the back. And say hello there also. It's from the group chat. The mother, one mother said, that you are. Ito po siya, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na, hello. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na bawal pasukan ng mga auto or cars dahil sa kadahilan ng daraan ang mga palaka. Ayan, from there hanggang sa baba. Diyan. Ni-close nila doon dahil dito po daraan ang mga palaka. No? Grabe ka special ng mga palaka. Doon hanggang dito. Wala naman ako nakikitang palaka. Gusto kong may makitang palaka. Wala. Baka doon banda. Hanggang doon lang naman, oh. Small part lang naman. Saan tayo daraan ngayon? Kaya bawal talaga, oh. Patay, may harang. Ay, naku, bawal po talaga kahit po bicycle pala. Diyan banda. Buti na lang nakita ko agad. Ay. So, ayan, dyan na po yung mga daan na kung saan binabawal yung pagdadrive dahil sa mga palaka. Yeah?
I want dinner for
know. So yan, sana sabi ko po kanina about po na may dala akong mga extra na damit kay Arya dahil po sa GC. Sinasabi doon na basa ang mga bata. Kaya nagdala ko ng extra para sa kanya. And now, sana tayo. Uwi na tayo. Iba-iba na yung mga daan dito kay... Uy! Diyos ko Lord. Pero ang ganda po dito mag-bike kasi walang mga auto. Dahil nga sa bawal ito naman, walang auto, walang bus. Woo! Sarap sa feeling. Naiiwi na naman ito. Ayan, pabalik-balik lang po yung ating vlog noon na open, close sa ating garage. Ayan po talaga yung ating daily routine. Especially bringing Arya to kindergarten tapos fetching. Di ba, pabalik-balik yung life. Pero dyan po ang success moment, yung daily routine nyo. Kung paano nyo makaya na pabalik-balik ang kaburingan, pabalik-balik ang gawain. So, success in life is not just a day. It's a everyday life. Uy! How you open?
Tia.
Ah! Where's Tia? Now that I know that Tia is there, tell her she must edit.
Okay.
Ha. Hi! Tingnan niyo po yung room ni Tia. There is something like police department. Oh my God! I was scared. What?
He's a prisoner. That's fake.
That's fake. Yeah, it's fake, guys. It's only for carnival. Carnival's costume. So,
This is in the dump sofa.
wow. So,
Accident in Philippines.
oh my God. Here, you have your food now, and I have something to show you about your food. No, not Tashin.
Ooh, small eggs.
Yes, that's the one. Careful.
Yeah.
That's the one that I want to show you. The small eggs.
I already saw it, Mama, actually.
You saw it already?
Uh-huh.
When?
And when I was going in the kitchen.
Okay. So we have here a pancit canton with small eggs.
chicken.
Chicken? Yeah. Yeah. It's a real Mickey. Di ba ano ka crave ka last time ng pork lamb po eh? Na pwede lubuan. Here.
Lutuan pa?
Here. Meron dinuguan at ito siya.
Lutuan pa? Naluto na.
Ito, ano siya, inito mo lagi para mag-crispy.
Ay.
So, I will make it warm. It's so yummy. Yeah?
If you're new here, guys, then I'm Arya. That's Stephanie. That's Jayula.
How old are you?
I am 6 years old.
Wow. Where are you from?
I am from Philippines, Madagascar.
Oh, but where did you live? Where was the born?
Fun.
Born?
Central.
Central Station. Born?
Castle.
Born? Germany! They don't, most of them maybe don't know where's Bonn.
So how is it, Arya? The food? How's the pancit canton?
Good.
Hi, luto na po yung ating roasted pork. Ayan, wow, grabe. Crispy-crispy po siya. Tingnan natin mamaya kung luto ba na crispy ito. Ninit ko po siya ulit. Actually, luto na ito pagpadala po ng Kabayan Food Truck. Wow, thank you so much. Tingnan natin kung crispy pa ba. Araya. Uy. Nanonood ng ating vlog. Oh. Aya, look, Aya, let's try. Don't touch this. It's so hot.
What is that?
Ooh, crispy siya.
No, what is that?
This is a pork. Ayan. Ooh, wow. Uy, crispy. Uy.
Crispy.
Crispy. My goodness. My good. Yan, oh.
Wow.
Try natin ito isa. Ay, dapat i-picture para to. Tanggalin na lang ito eh. Ay, init. Yan. Try po natin. Yeah. Lami.
Mom,
Ang sarap.
can I try?
Lasang Pinas po.
Mom, can I try?
Yeah, got try. Yeah.
Mom, what is that? Is that something? What is that?
Uy, lami. Uy. Hot. Malasa siya. Let's try. 1, 2, 3. Wow. The best. And also po itong Pansit Mickey. Original Pansit Mickey. Gawa. Homemade. Ayan. Ang sarap po.
Mom, can I have more?
Pansit Canton ang ginawa namin. Yes, of course, of course. You can have more. You can have everything. Nagawa po ako ng tea dahil po meron pong nagkasakit.
And Tia don't like the tea.
Ay, she doesn't like. It's our Keltong's tea or para sa mga may sakit, may colds. Ayan po siya. So, ang nagkasakit po, number 1. Ayan, umiinom na siya. Good. You like the tea? Number 2, hindi naman siya nagkasakit, kundi yung ubo niya ba, pabalik-balik na lang dahil nga sa weather siguro, no? Number 2, yan. Huy. You know. Oh, yan. And how is it?
No, you need to drink it really, Tia.
Oh, hindi niya iniinom.
No, you're not drinking it.
Yeah, she's not really drinking it. Alam nyo ba?
She don't like it.
Hay nako, alam nyo, gusto na po niyang umuwi ng Pinas. Ayan, Arya. And meron pala tayong iba pa na mga gamot. Meron tayong pang bronchial, no, bronchitis na gamot, medicine, at saka itong Keltong's balsam. Para siyang Vicks, pero more on para sa kids siya. And alam nyo, you know what, Arya? It's a sad thing to hear, but she wants to go home, to go back to Philippines. Do you know who?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you know why?
Miss her mom.
She miss her mom daw.
And mom's adobo.
Mom's adobo. Do you know that? Do you know the mom of Tia? Do you know?
Yeah, mom. My mom's mom.
Yeah. Because me and Tia are
Sisters.
yes,
Siblings.
siblings. Uy, ka-break mo yung English na yung English ako. Yes, we are siblings. Her mom is my... sorry, you were drinking. So, her mom has a neighbor. And this neighbor likes my mom. So, her mom and my mom are the same. So, yes, she wanna go home. You know why? She miss the... Number 1, you're right, Arya. She miss her mom. Kasi po, siya po ay bunso namin, youngest. Yes. She's the youngest, that's why. She's very like, more on mama. That's why Tia wanna go home. Number 2, she wants to eat the adobo of mom. So, number 3, she miss her ex. Ay! Ay, joke. No. Yes, hindi po, kasi po, kapag may sakit tayo, no, especially ngayon, talagang namimiss po talaga yung nanay natin. And ngayon lang yun na-appreciate, nabigyan niyang halaga ang aming mother. Love.
Love ka.
Halaga. Now, she miss her mom, sometimes we take for granted our parents, especially our mother. But when they are away from us, we're gonna miss them. Na? Especially when we are sick. Yes? That's why every day, hug and kiss mommy. Okay? Because we don't know what will happen. Yeah, when you grow up so fast. No, you're dalaga. Dalagang gaman.
Now I'm 6 years old.
Yeah, you're going to school.
Yeah.
Oh my God, super fast. That's why every day we must cherish it. And some other people telling me, you go to, work hospital like that. But the other mother, they're engineer, doctor. They stopped working to take care of their child. That's why it's my privilege that while I am taking care of my child, I am earning. It's not all the mothers has privilege of that. That's why these blessings, you must be thankful. But Tia wants to go home. What should we do, Arya? She wanna go home.
We are going home. We are going to Philippines this year.
It's a secret. Secret.
I didn't tell you before.
It's okay, but it's only us. Yeah, no one knows. Only them and us. Yes? Yes. Now, it's our secret. So yes, kapag nagkasakit tayo ay gusto nating umuwi talaga sa ating mama. Kailangan natin ng hilot, ng haplos ng ating nanay. And at the same time, yung weather po dito, ayaw na po niya. Hindi na po niya kaya.
Mama, more please.
More? Okay, I will give you. Wait, I will tell something to them, yeah? Because Tia doesn't like the weather anymore. It's so cold. It's a long months po na cold. Nasanay po kasi siya sa warm, sa tropical weather in Philippines. So ngayon, anong gagawin natin ngayon? Uuwi. But it's a challenge, Nakaya nga namin dati na wala kaming kapatid. Ako, pumunta ako dito mag-isa lang lahat. May anak pa ako. So, yan ang challenge sa kanya. Kasi dito, meron na siyang kaibigan, may kapatid na siya. So, dapat makaya niya. Hindi pwede na hindi niya makaya. Kayanin mo! Walang uwian, kaya wala kang pag-ipon. Mag-ipon mo na. Yes. But, yeah, yun po ang news natin. So, magpapaalam na tayo, Arya. So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for
Before saying bye-bye and thank you for watching, what is the lesson now? What lesson you get? Because Tia wants to be with her mom. So, the lesson that we get is, go, answer!
Go home.
Hindi, we should show our love, our care and love to our parents while they are still there. That's the lesson. And parents, cherish every moment with your child because they grow up so fast. Like now, Tia is away from her mom. So, the mom cannot hug the daughter. So,
after you.
yeah, I'm always hugging you all every day. That's why Mama loves you so much. But still, I will still give you I will still be strict to you, not always like love, because you need to learn, yeah, and you need discipline. Ayan po, I don't know if Jaira wanna go home or not. We will see for the next days, but she's very sad. Yeah. Na-homesick na, kumbaga na-homesick, hindi na kinaya. Pero kakayanin niya yan. Kaya andito man din kami, no? So, are you okay? Kawawa naman ang bata. Oh, I'm giving her always tea. Yan, oh, ito pa. Oh, we will massage Tia later, okay? Really massage and we will take care of Tia. And this one also. And here, you drink Tia, oh. You drink, oh. You drink.
Mama, we need a spoon.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys.
Thanks.
So, magpapaalam na po kami. Sana
Thank
po
you
may,
for watching.
may natutunan po kayo about mother-daughter relationship.
Thank you for watching.
And please watch more and please subscribe, like,
and share. Bye. Peace.
Each time I think I'm close to knowing, she keeps on growing, slipping through